Lauren Daigle is an American contemporary gospel singer, best known for her various and popular gospel songs. She has released several debut albums including How Can It Be in 2015, Look Up a Child in 2018, among others. She was signed to the label Contractive Music. Early life and biography. On September 9, 1991, Laura Ashley Daigle was born to Laura and Mark Daigle in Lafayette, Louisiana, and she was influenced musically by Zydeco, blues, and Cajun music. Laura was always singing, and her mother called her house the music box. However, she never considered music seriously until she contracted a debilitating illness. She was kept out of school for 2 years, of which she perfected her singing. She planned to enter the medical field and do mission work during college prep. Laura went to a charter school and completed a 1.5-year classwork in 6 months and graduated early. She took a year out of school and did mission work in Brazil, and she later joined Louisiana State University for Child and Family Studies. Personal life. Laura Daigle is single. She claims that she is focused on her music and has no time for relationship engagements. She has 2 siblings, a brother and sister, whose names are Brandon and Madison. Lauren appeared in American Idol in 2010 and 2012, respectively. However, she did not make it to the final in both appearances. She is active on social media platforms and has 1.5 million followers on her Instagram account, 123.9k on her Twitter handle, and more than 1k on Facebook. Age, height, and weight. Being born on September 9th, 1991, Laura Daigle is 30 years old as of today's date, 5th November 2021. Her height is 1.63 meter tall and her weight is 50 kg in kilograms. Career. Lauren started singing at a young age in her choir at a LSU. She later tried American Idol in 2010 and 2012 after she was encouraged by her family to compete in the singing competition. She has released several debut albums including How Can It Be, which was released on April 14, 2015. Behold a Christmas collection. Look up a child who was released through Charistia Radio among others. Awards and achievements. Lauren Daigle has received several awards in her singing career. She was awarded Contemporary Inspirational Award 2017, Contemporary Inspirational Award 2018, Top Christian Artist Award 2017 and 2019, Top Christian Album 2017 and 2019, Top Christian Song 2019, New Artist of the Year 2015, the Contemporary Song of the Year 2015, the Song of the Year 2015, Songwriter of the Year 2015, Artist of the Year 2015, the Contemporary Recorded Song of the Year 2016, the Song of the Year 2018, Artist of the Year 2019, a Contemporary Album of the Year 2019. Net worth and salary of Lauren Daigle in 2021. As of November 2021, Lauren Daigle is estimated to have a net worth of $8 million. She has made her wealth by singing contemporary gospel music and songwriting. She has successfully released several music albums including How Can It Be in 2014, Behold a Christmas Collection was released in 2016 among others. She has also made several tours such as Out Curry with Hillsong Untied and Night with Lauren Daigle. Lauren Daigle is one of the most popular gospel singers in the United States. She started her career at a young age and has been able to make a name for herself through hard work and dedication. Although she has been around for very many years, her fans are still very fond on her and they feel that her music is still top notch.